Good day, Obedience. Good day, Nigerians. And welcome again to another episode of Hope Alive on Obedati Family TV. The Supreme Court don't pass their ruling. Today na 26th of May, and we know say na today the court supposed pass their judgment concerning that PDP suit where they filed against Shettima and in double nomination. So the Supreme Court don't settle the issue. Come talk say they go dismiss that case. They don't dismiss am. In fact, they even award PDP 2 million, say they go pay 2 million for even bringing that case to the court. Recall say PDP don't take that case to lower courts before. They can't look and finish. Can't talk say PDP no get any local standby for that case. Say they no get any reason to bring that case because a political party no suppose they put mouth for another action where another political party take. Now im prompt PDP, they can't carry the case, can't give Supreme Court today. Supreme Court can't dismiss am. Can't say PDP go pay 2 million for even bringing that case. They say the case gets lack of merits and they no approve am. And again, we get some certain well-meaning concerned Nigerians wey still they go on, they carry out peaceful protests. They still they talk say make judiciary do wetin dey right for this case. And these people no be say them be any political party o. They talk say they no dey under anybody, under any political party. They just want the judiciary to do what is right in Nigeria. And now wetin you go they see, they carry placards everywhere. They talk say make judiciary uphold the constitution of Nigeria, make them no do wetin no suppose happen for this country. So now all these things we dey see today and many more. And my name na Peace Obiekwe and Mr. Kanu dey here with me.
Our people, on a well done, on a good morning, afternoon and evening, depending where on a day. As usual, we don't come today on. Now wetin we carry from yesterday, now we want bring as they take the happen for Supreme Court right now. I not be only me also go join for this our talk because we get plenty things where we go talk today. Those plenty things, protests don't they erupt for Abuja. Plenty people don't begin they join protest where we say they no be even Labour Party myself. They call themselves concerned Nigerians. They come from different states. They carry placard talk say the judiciary must do the right thing. And we join them as far as they are doing the protest in peace. No be that one of Asare Dokubo wey carry talks from militants. I've been awaiting them, they call them, can they disrupt peaceful protests. But this one, when I see said then they do, na peaceful protest, then they do. And for Supreme Court, as it take the happen now, one of our own, Mazi from Njenje Media, they for Supreme Court as things take unfold this morning. And make we just hear from and credit to Njenje Media.
No, not happen. This is Mazi looking live at the Supreme Court. So we are live here at the Supreme Court. There is confusion everywhere. Waiting be that one. Now arrest the arrest have been already. Yeah. So this is happening at the Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Before next thing now they go say we be like soon. They will come after me. Just share.
So my people, and I don't see how the thing take happen there. At least we get our own Mazi from Njenje Media, who was there live in Abuja this morning. And as he take report on Asiam, say many things they happen. Confusion everywhere. Now so he take put am. So, and when you go outside that court premises, now you go see the men people will be said then they protest. Now, for peaceful protest, we enjoin people to protest. For the Supreme Court ruling, court no talk say PDP, no, they no dive into the matter of double nomination. I won't clear something for some people where be say then they misinterpret wetin Supreme Court do today. Wetin Supreme Court do today na to confirm say PDP no go join mouth for wetin happen for APC. No be say dem rule for double nomination. Double nomination matter still dey for even the tribunal. E dey for PDP matter, e dey for Labour Party and P2B matter. So this one wey dem rule today, na just to talk say PDP, when dem start this matter for Federal High Court, High Court talk say they no get local standing, mean say wetin concern you. Then go appeal. Appeal talk say this thing na PDP matter, wetin concern you. They no even look at the main substantive matter. Now then come carry their matter, go meet Supreme Court. Come they ask Supreme Court say, these two courts where they lower, they no agree hear us. We disagree. They suppose hear us. So waiting Supreme Court, they affirm today say, yes, they agree with the lower court and the Court of Appeal, say you no get business inside that one. If to say you be PDP, if to say you be APC, sorry, you go join forces. But as per say you dey outside, make you never talk. So the talk na between APC people. As APC people never raise them, person where the thing affect like P2B and Atiku, then go raise them. Now that matter na in the 1 year. So they never hear double nomination issue. They no dive into that matter. Now my opinion. And I know say other people get their own opinion. So make some people wey be say then they think say they don't scatter PDP, they don't lose, so no be like that it take happen. Now just this one na stage one matter wey be say it don't start since last year and then just deal with. Make we dey proceed to dey go to the main matter where they on. The one of 25% of FCT court still there for court this today, and would they wait to hear wetin they want talk. Why would they wait for them to tell us wetin they happen for that court? I want to introduce the person where they join me for show, Dr. Etelbert. Dr. Etelbert, welcome to the show.
Agree to the thing where you talk, not be just opinion. Wetin you talk now, exactly wetin happen. That one not be opinion, Sansam. You talk am as it take be. Because for court system, for all over the world, when you appeal, you are trying to say the court will be say don't handle waiting I bring come for court. I know like as it take decide. So you can't go the higher court. Be like I say that waiting you go do for higher court, not to report the lower court, not even to accuse the other person of doing wrong. For the lower court, waiting you they do be say you'd accuse someone we don't do wrong. But when that lower court no give you the kind judgment where you pray, you go report the court for higher courts. Now in waiting PDP do. Then carry matter go to high court. High court tell them say, waiting concern them. Person they in house, they fry plantain. You say, you know, like to make them fry plantain. It concern you. So PDP can go appeal court say, no be the same air where would they breathe. Naim, then they pollute. I know be Nigeria, how person where do double nomination, where don't break law, go come become vice president and president. Appeal courts can say, I like as high court take handle them. You know suppose. According to the rule, you know suppose. Because you know they for that election. Now the people will be say they get involved for the election. For instance, now somebody will be say in participate for APC presidential primary. Now in suppose go to court. or someone will be say in participate for APC senatorial primaries for Borno State Central, not even any other part of the constituency in Borno State. So as appeal court can hold, say, then support waiting happen for High Court, then PPDP can go to Supreme Court. And Supreme Court still can say, even though say you not can report appeal court, report High Court, waiting they do correct. So the thing will be said then carry go high Supreme Court, not be to even determine whether the 25%, whether the double nomination is supposed to be allow Shettima to continue or suppose disqualify him. Now to determine whether then suppose. And the kind precedents which Supreme Court don't give us for Nigeria be say, for election matter will no be general election, if not party election like primaries, no other person where they for another party suppose bring them. But as it take be now, as you don't talk about Chidi, not be only say hope day, we know say we dey Kangpe party and Kukuma PDP. Now, then suppose because it concern them. Because these two people will be APC presidential candidate and vice president, then compete with them for February 25. So because of February 25, they don't qualify to bring them. And as we know, as the law take be, no mind those people, then fit inaugurate them, they no inaugurate them. We know say when the law prevails, they are going back home. So thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Dr. Tell, thanks for confirming. My mind they totally me say you don't already talk say me waiting I talk they correct. So for all those people where they get fake news, they run around talk say PDP don't fail and the PDP no fail anything. They no fail. And make I just reconfirm them again. Supreme Court no talk say double nomination they okay. No be waiting then talk today. Make una go check that judgment where they talk today. Make una know waiting then talk. Nothing like that at all. Then just talk say PDP for make una no join on a mouth for APC matter because no be on a contest. So we still that same issue still they come. Now, Dr. Etel, I won't enter this our concerned Nigerians. Many people don't begin to come Abuja from every part of Nigeria. They don't even talk about, say, them be Labour Party or them be PDP. All of them, they talk, say, them be concerned Nigeria. Say, waiting they happen now. They touch them, we be say they leave their different states. Come Abuja, come the protest. So, protest as we they get information where they come now from Abuja say plenty people, plenty even all the hotels where the Abuja don't full. And the law enforcement will be say then they try to prevent people from peaceful protests. I don't know how that one go fit work for democracy. Some people will be aggrieved and some people go there happy. And people where they aggrieved, then suppose allow them in a peaceful way to show their grievances in a peaceful way. How you take Siam?
Now say when you hear state capture or a police state, what it mean be say the people where they control the power for the country, they abuse the power in ways that makes it impossible for the people who be said and supposed to protect to express themselves. There is nowhere in our constitution where in no talk say if you know happy for waiting happen, make you show them. We're not breaking property. People where they protest, they never break property, they never burn houses. They are just praying on their knees, carrying placard where they write something. Waiting these people, they fear. Do they want to return Nigeria to the era of Abacha, where we say everybody, they panic, or they want to return us to a police state? Let me just put them like that. To be honest, there is no need for police to panic because there has been demonstration in Nigeria since after presidential election. and it has been as peaceful as anything. Even people, they say, it be like say these Nigerians no fit bite. Why are they quiet like this? But we are showing maturity. I always say, I remember waiting happened for 2011 or after presidential election. Blood was flowing in Nigeria. Blood. I remember. But it hasn't happened in this instance. So, but another thing when I think we say, is there anything they are hiding? Do they really know that they have not done the right thing and they just want to impose themselves on us? And because they know say now to impose themselves on us, now they won't do, they are now preempting that people will say no, and they are deploying police everywhere. Now I don't know. I even forget to mention something. You see, as Supreme Court today rule based on Supreme Court, their ruling today did not say that they have endorsed that someone can have double nomination. They didn't touch it at all, as we don't talk Oga Chidi, which means Supreme Court believes in the rule of what the process, the way it is established, both in our electoral law and in our constitution. Make we see it as a positive thing, and make we see it as Supreme Court putting themselves on the witness stand. Why? What make me talk and be say, when he reach for the time when they hear this, including the election petition tribunal, make them follow rule. Oh, should be them saying a rule now. They tell us say they follow the rule, and because there is nowhere where he expressly they written for our constitution. That is why they are not televising live. They cut session. They say they follow the rule. No problem. This one again, they say, supposed be now where PDP or any other party when no be APC supposed come bring any case against a nominated candidate in APC, because the election na APC versus APC. Now we don't become APC versus other parties. Other parties are now qualified to bring their petition. So make them remember, say, when it come, make them follow rule. Somebody break the law for 10 minutes. Now law, now in break. Even if somebody break the law for 1 minute, now law, now in break. Breaking, now breaking. So Supreme Court, when I don't talk, say, as this tribunal and election petition is going, everybody must follow the rule. No technicality, no chua-chua, no telling us, say, plenty thing, make we go pray to God to come back to correct any mistake when I don't make. We are waiting for you people to follow the law on the issue of 25% and on the issue of double nomination and on the issue of INEC messing up in declaring election where they no get result. We are looking at Electoral Act and we are reading the Constitution. Other countries like America, ordinary people, now then they try case. They call them jury because they fit read English. The only thing be say when people carry things come for court, then go call people from the society. Even for this place when I did, I know say many times where they don't invite me, come sit down for jury. Then you go listen to all the cases. You go listen to the person where carry case come. You go listen to the person where say, I know do am. And when they finish, the judge go just give you the constitution, say, concerning this kind of case, make una go read, this is the way to say that someone is guilty or not guilty. And if these people come back and tell the judge, we have concluded that this person is guilty, the judge must honor it. So make them not tell us, say, we know Sabi law. We Sabi law because our law is written in English and we know it in there. The only thing be say, we have not been empowered to be the people that will say the law is broken. But we know when the law is broken. APC have broken the law. They have broken 2 laws. Double nomination. Okay. They have broken the second one. They did not get 25%. On 3 grounds, APC should not be president.
Yeah, Dr. Etel, these people will be saying they converge for Abuja and all that. Talk on that issue well, but I just want to make you hear waiting the person where they lead one of the groups where they there as he take talk and for there, because these people where they come Abuja, they know they come because of say they want swear in or make them stop the swearing in of Tinubu. Not be waiting them come do. The waiting them come do now to show Nigerians say make judiciary take notice. Say Nigerians, they all came out to vote because somebody motivated them to vote. But they are not coming under Labour Party or any other, they are coming as concerned Nigerians. But before we go into that man's talk, I want make you hear wetin the Oni of Ife talk about how P2B motivated thousands to millions of Nigerians to come out and vote for the first time in history. Just take a listen for a minute.
In the interest of Nigeria, it has been established now that our vote can actually count. It's now a theory of Labour Party and Obi. Peter Obi has proven to Nigeria and Nigerians as a whole, if you believe your vote cannot count, and I want to give that credit to President Muhammadu Buhari, it's a very solid legacy that he has left. Yes. A lot of people underrated Peter Obi as the underdog, but you know, he had a very good spread. He had a very good numbers of people that came out to vote for him. And
concerned about the state of the nation, but we don't want to be in one side. We're neither PDP nor Labour, but we're concerned about Nigeria. And today our message is to the judiciary, to the law enforcement agency, and to every Nigerian. We are urging the judiciary to listen to both sides of the coin. We want them to consider the cases on its merit. We want judgment to be based on merit, so that after the judgment we will not go back again into violence or other form of separation, or some people feel marginalized and whatsoever. So today we are peacefully on the road. We are peacefully on every aspect of the society, through the social media, through the media, through the television station, through the newspaper. We want to raise a new consciousness in Nigeria. We want an egalitarian Nigeria, a Nigeria that is pragmatic in nature, where merit is judged, where things are judged on merit, and we are urging the judiciary to please be above board, because some are saying that the judiciary are partisan, but we can see that they are men of integrity, and we believe that the right thing will be done. So we are urging the judiciary today to be fair to all sides and give a good verdict.
So, Dr. Etel, back to you. We had the Oni of Ife talking so well of P2B, and again, we have the concerned Nigerians who we heard why they are in Abuja protesting. Please give us your insight on this.
Well, I will still take my insight back to what I've been crying since this month of May. The judiciary finally is in a position to convince us, to prove to us that our votes count. Police van and the government vehicle to scatter these particular ballot boxes. Others were fortunate to have their votes counted, and after they finished counting, recording the results, INEC themselves refused to allow this result to be captured and stored on the IREV in the way that it was spelled out in the law. Now, the grievances, all the things that was done, is now before the judges. Will they return the verdict to assure us that our vote counts? Or will they determine whether indeed our vote counts or not based on the declaration of the court? That's why I keep saying that the judiciary is on trial in Nigeria. Thank you.
What is happening again as we have one of let's look at what Dati actually said last time he was on Channels TV, old video that where he said about the unconstitutionality of swearing in an unconstitutional president. that president that is not accepted by the people. Let's just take a very brief listen to that, and then let us understand why such a comment as at that time was needed. And right
has had election. That is the first provision. Then it has not less than 1/4 of the votes cast had election in each of the least 2/3 of all the states in the federation and the federal capital territory, Abuja. That is the second provision.
Can I comment?
Go ahead, please.
This document you read is not a puzzle. It is in English. This document is not available for Yakubu to interpret that day. It is there for him to follow. The English is very clear. These are fundamental provisions of the Constitution. They come already interpreted. You cannot take a gun, shoot somebody, and then ask the family to go and get interpretation. Those who have argued differently ended up helping our case because they say that there is a certain ruling which says the FCT is a state. Good. FCT is a state. Where is the each of 25% for FCT? It is not there. That constitutional requirement has not been met. That certificate of return is null and void and cannot be sworn in as president. And let me tell you, the way they are going, disregarding the calls of the people, violating the Constitution, let them even go ahead, even if they swear in Tinubu Shettima on 29th of May. They are swearing in an unconstitutional government. Nothing will change it. I am not a careless, reckless speaker. I am working with the Constitution there, that document right you just read. I'm following it. And I dare to tell you that swearing in Tinubu and Shettima is as good as swearing in the Nigerian army on 29th of May. If you swear in people that have not satisfied the requirement, you have, by so doing, ended democracy. The crisis I'm telling you now is that this our democracy is